opportunity to be one of the people who are accepted to be in the bootcamp. So far has been a great experience for me, for someone who's just started to be in the tech world, and for so many people it's gonna be a real great experience, especially for me being a woman. There's so many people who are not being interested in this kind of events, but then for me it really helped me to see the tech world in a different perspective. I didn't know about Bitcoin, but now that I've been in this bootcamp, it made me more interested in what I should do in my next career line.
My name is Olani Sudam. I'm from Delft. I'm part of the Cape Town Lightning Developer Bootcamp. My experience so far has been quite good. I didn't know anything about Bitcoin or developing or Lightning tools before I actually was introduced on this bootcamp. So I've learned quite a lot so far. What I've learned is being able to use Linux to create nodes on WSL, to be able to explore and play around Bitcoin and all the tools that actually kind of contribute to Bitcoin.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. I'm Satoshi. I'm a member of the organizing team at African Bitcoiners and Africa Free Routing, and we are here at the Cape Town Lightning Developer Bootcamp. The experience has been great so far. The students have shown a lot of enthusiasm. They want to learn. Some of them are beginners, some of them are more experienced, but I really like the way the more experienced people are trying to take the inexperienced people along. Like there's a certain kind of deliberate attempt to carry everybody along, and that has been amazing so far. I'm really looking forward to what the students are going to build. I mean, we've been having conversations about the problems that are going around and how Bitcoin can solve that problem. And I think they are really, really interested in building on Bitcoin, and I just can't wait for them to start doing that. Thank you very much to our sponsors, Adopting Bitcoin, OpenSart, MavaPay, Bitrust, and everyone that has contributed to this. God bless.
My name is Brendan. I'm a software developer of about 20 years, but quite new to Bitcoin, so that's why I find myself here to learn about Bitcoin and Lightning. So far, it's been a really fun experience. We've learned a lot about the inner workings of Bitcoin, and we've got more to come for Lightning. And what's the most fun about this is the people I'm surrounded with. They have all these ideas, all this passion, and they're all ready to learn, so I'm excited to be part of that group.
Hey guys, my name is Mika and I am part of the organizational team for the Lightning Developer Bootcamp here in Cape Town, South Africa. We've had an exciting few days of learning, opportunity, and just really expanding our knowledge as a community. I'm so excited for what lies ahead and what lies ahead for Africa as a whole. I think Bitcoin is an amazing resource to empower Africans and for the future of our economy and just the welfare and prosperity of our people. I think this conference has been very, very enlightening for most, well, no pun intended, for most people involved, and I'm excited to see what will come from it.
Hello everyone, my name is Sarah, General Manager of the African Bitcoiners team and also part of the Africa Free Routing team. I'm so grateful for the Cape Town Lightning Developer Bootcamp. It's been amazing. But overall, I'm just very happy with the fact that the students have been very committed to the journey so far. And all this wouldn't have been possible without our sponsors, BitTrust, Zeta Africa, OpenSats, Adopting Bitcoin Cape Town, and MavaPay. And I look forward to the next bootcamp we're going to be holding in Johannesburg. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Hilbert Mchatabaya. I'm a software engineer and I'm part of the Cape Town Lightning Developer Bootcamp. My experience so far has been great. I think the course or the material is well paced. I started off with like a lot of theory and just getting a good understanding of where Bitcoin fits into like our much bigger payment ecosystem. And I think as we've spent more time, we've gotten more into the practical work, and yeah, I'm enjoying it a lot. It's a lot to take in, but I've been managing, and I've just enjoyed the process of learning how different payment methods can be used to revolutionize like payments in Africa and how can we improve adoption.
Hi everyone, my name is Theophilus Issa. I'm the instructor for the bootcamp here in Cape Town, organized by the African Federation team. I am the CEO of MavaPay, and here in Cape Town we've been having the Lightning Developer Bootcamp since on Monday. Today is the 5th and last day. It's been a wonderful and amazing experience teaching Bitcoin and Lightning concepts to the amazing developers that we have in Cape Town. By the way, if you haven't been to Cape Town is a lovely city, and they also have very lovely developers. We started off by learning about Bitcoin development, the concept of Bitcoin actually, how Bitcoin can be used as money. We also learned about how to build real-world payment systems on Bitcoin, also integrating Lightning payments into real-world use cases, similar to, for example, what MavaPay is doing or Orange is doing in South Africa. And the experience has been wonderful so far. I'm looking forward to the projects that the students, the developer students, would be building for the hackathon. And I would say this has been a good experience for me. I've taught 4 bootcamps so far, and Cape Town stands out because the developers think of real-world use cases for Bitcoin payments. So yeah, looking forward to more events like this from Africa Federation.